Here we have an empty room. Here we have all of the dogs behind me, Sammy included. Come on, let's go get in the canoe. Who wants to get in the canoe? Yeah? Huh? Who wants to get in the canoe? Emma wants to get in the canoe. Sammy wants to get in the canoe. Oh, Jacko gets in the canoe. Layla. Come on, kids. Who's in the canoe? Huh? Of course you like it, Layla. Yeah? Are you captain today? Huh? Hi, Sammy Samerton. Hi. Say hi, Papa. Wish you were here, but they only take dogs. Hi, Pablo. Hi, everyone. Hi, Papa. Sammy. Hi, Pablo. Hi, Jacko. Hi, Fanny girl. Hi, Sydney Bidney. Hi. What are we doing? Where's everybody going? What are you trying to tell me? Oh, we got an itch? We got an itch. Where's all your buddies? Huh? Oh, we're gonna go get some water. Sammy's gonna go get some water. Hi, sweetness. Hi, Sky. Hi, Sky. Sammy's getting water. I know. Oh, big old Max. Max, you're a big love bug. You're a big love bug. Yes, you are. Bozier? Hey, Bozier. Bozier? Yeah? Hi! It's Bailey the Beagle. Hi, Samerton. Hi, little Gracie. Hi, Gracie girl. Yeah. Hi. Emma's waiting for a ball to be thrown. Okay, hi, Lou Reed. Hi, Lou Boo. Coach has got his spot reserved on the bed. He's like, oh, dude, I love your collar. I heart Obama? Yeah. Okay, good job. All right. We're all starting to settle in for the night, except Max, of course, who's ready to still play.